are the most popular reasons why people use their smartphones every day? Did you know that the average person in the UK now spends an entire every week on their phone? That might seem like a lot already, but get this, according to another Ofcom report cited by the Telegraph, a fifth of 16 to 24 years olds spend a whopping 7 hours every day online. As expected, there is a big digital divide between generations. Just 1% of over 65% and 6% of 55 to 64 years olds say that they spend more than 50 hours a week online, whether that's on their phone, computer, laptop, or tablet. This compares to 18% of people aged between 16 and 25, the equivalent of over 1.1 million young people. The same Ofcom report found that the average phone user checks their phone every 12 minutes, whether it's to read emails, reply to texts, show a colleague yet another funny cat video, or scroll through Facebook. The smartphone evolution. The fact smartphone usage is increasing is pretty inevitable. After all, our devices are becoming more and more intelligent and improving all the time. Remember the days when we used to have to take a digital camera out with us as well as our phones? How impractical. With phones becoming more high tech and therefore more expensive to buy, it's really important that you take out quality smartphone insurance. It's cover you against costs associated with accidentally damaging your phone. Example given smashing the screen or losing it. You could also be covered against phone theft. Gadget Cover compares policies from leading insurers, helping you to find the best policy for your needs. Call rejected. A study carried out by mobiles.co.uk found that the intended purpose of phones to make and receive calls is falling out of favor. We are now far more likely to communicate with friends and family via text or email, or by messaging them over social media. Polling 2017 smartphone owners in the UK, mobiles.com.uk, found that 25% hadn't made a phone call in more than a week, and 5% admitted to never making a accepting a call. Over 6 in 10, 63% respondents said they would only answer the phone if they know the caller, and a third said they would always reject a call if they were not expecting it. What do we use our phones for the most? So if we are not using our mobile phones to call people, just what are we doing with them? The study um, unearthed the top 10 daily uses for smartphones: texting, email, Facebook, camera, reading news, online shopping, and checking the weather, WhatsApp, banking, and watching videos on YouTube. As you can see, phone calls didn't even make the top 10. It actually came in at number 11, with only 41% of people regularly using the feature. Stranger uses for a smartphone. In the study, a number of respondents admitted to using their smartphones for stranger purposes. Note, we don't recommend trying some of these at home. Taking pictures of a spot on my back, recording conversation as evidence at work, using the phone as a bottle opener, using it as a hammer, using it as a bed warmer, using it as a back scratcher, using it as a paperweight, using the reflection to spy on people behind you, using it as a nutcracker, using it as a chopping board. There's life in the old phone yet. If you have just bought a new phone or are thinking about getting one, you might be wondering what to do with your old device. Rather than putting it in a drawer and forgetting about it, why not turn it into something cool? PC Mag offers up some tips. Turn it into a camera for your kids to use. You can use Wi-Fi to send the shorts to your email address, so you can print them off and stick them on the fridge. use it as a gaming phone. There are tons of apps for people or for Apple and Android devices that don't require internet connection. If you spend a lot of time using apps like Skype and FaceTime, you could turn the phone into a dedicated video calling device. It's all save your battery on your phone. If you are a bookworm but don't want to fork out for an e-reader, use your phone. Simply download the Amazon Kindle app on your Apple or Android device and synchronize your purchases, Prime reading, and even free ebooks. Do you prefer to listen to books as opposed to read them? Download an app like Audible, relax, and use your phone to listen to your favorite